We are Americans living in Italy, and on today's episode, we ordered from Amazon Italy. We ordered a rice cooker and then a really good blender because the one in our rental unit was not as good, and we cook a lot and do a lot of smoothies, so we needed that. So we ordered it on Amazon Italy, and it was delivered in like 3 days. It was really fast. Actually, I was surprising. I was like, I didn't think it was going to come that quick. So we picked it up, and now we are heading home. One more thing that we ordered was our air fryer. It's actually going to be delivered tomorrow. So we got one more item that's missing that our rental unit doesn't have. And these are things, since we cook all the time, we need all our cooking appliances, so we have to order them. So when we leave Italy, we're not going to take these with us. So I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to give it away to somebody. I don't know. Oh, we just made to an apartment. But for the time that we're here, we need to have it. Good job carrying it, babe.
It's heavy.
He's like, can you stop talking and open the door? I'm trying. I was trying to find the keys. Okay, but anyway, that's it. Peace out, y'all.